So welcome back to Second Chance Ranch. We'll see how long this name sticks. That's why I'm doing this video today. Guys, I'm a wreck. My hair's a wreck. I'm a 10-car pileup on the freeway, okay? I'm in here brewing coffee at 5 o'clock. Folgers, regular roast. It's been a long day. We planted both raised beds, completely done. I'm going to give a garden tour. Tilling up gardens with a tractor, or disking them up. I can't talk, but I want to talk to you guys. And my husband's about ready to cut grass, so everything's kind of backwards here today, so I wanted to sneak in some quick videos with you guys. And I wanted to tell you why the ranch name was changed. Okay, so when I first moved over here, me and my husband moved over here. It's Western. Everything about it's Western, from the yuccas all the way up the drive, to the views, to the exterior of the house, okay? I did the inside Western, okay? I have terracotta tile everywhere in the den, and I thought the Western thing would look pretty. That's what I thought, with the terracotta tile, without ripping it up and starting all over and blah, 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 blah. Okay, so we were Harmon Homestead at our first house, and now when we moved over here, I changed it to Harmon Homestead Ranch. But I didn't like Homestead and Ranch, but I didn't like Harmon Ranch. I didn't like it, okay? So this past week, I was talking to my dad, and we were talking about the puppies. Miss Belle's doing great. All 9 are still Cadillac, and they're doing great. And he gives Belle a hard time. He always cuts up and says, Belle, she's just a mess, and just cutting up, about Belle. Because Belle's just so special, he gives her a hard time, cutting up, joking about her. And I'll say, she's worth $1 million, and he'll say, no, you can't get a nickel for that baby, just cutting up. Well, ever since Belle's had puppies, we've just been cutting up even worse about it, like, oh my gosh, now she's a mama, what are you gonna do? And I said, oh, these puppies, they're priceless. He said, oh, you couldn't get a penny for those puppies, just cutting up. So I was talking to him on the phone, and we had been cutting up about the Second Chance Ranch. This is what it needs to be, because everything just comes here for a second chance. And he was cutting up about Belle, in which she is a parvo baby. So, we take critters of all kind. Buddy, our boy dog, Belle's husband, I guess, was dropped off. Somebody actually pulled up in our yard at our first house, knew that we had animals, pulled up in the driveway, dropped him off, and left. Now, you talk about bold, okay? That was pitiful. We took him in immediately, but just call us, just call us. They knew us. That's terrible. But anyways, so I was talking to him on the phone, and I had Bloomer inside. Bloomer's just been dropped off. This is how it is in the country, unfortunately. And fortunate for us, but unfortunate for the animals that go through this, because a lot of people aren't like we are with animals and sympathetic. And I was talking to him, and I put my hand on her belly. I was rubbing her, and I felt movement. I said, oh no, Bloomer, Bloomeria, Bloomer. So he said, this is before I named her, and he said, you ought to call her Mama. And I said, no, she's fine, no. I don't know what I was thinking with Biffy and Buster here. I don't know what I was thinking. It did not click. So I think she arrived that way anyways, but this past week I felt movement, and I said, well, you fixing to be a mama too. So I just said, you know what, Second Chance Ranch, that's the name of it. So we'll see how long this lasts. But Bloomer's about to have kittens. Yeah, there's multiple little kittens in there, and she's big, which it was hard to tell at first because she was so malnourished when she got here, and she's fluffy. So I could see where the cards didn't, unless you had an ultrasound, you wouldn't know. So anyways, that's Second Chance Ranch, and that's how that name come about. He said, you got to name it that. And I said, he calls it that. I said, I am. So we'll see how long this will hold up, calling it Second Chance Ranch. And I'm sorry about the coffee in the background, guys. But anyways, I'm going to try to do a chicken egg lockdown video for you guys, and what to candle specifically before we put I'm pointing at the incubator, our Morans and olive eggers on tonight. It's already locked down. It's been 3 weeks since you watched live those chicks hatch. Is that not crazy? Is that not crazy? We got the gardens. I'm going to go back and water the other gardens and show you guys a video of what I planted tonight. Just kind of show you the areas because there's nothing to see. And I think that'll be it for today. Use coffee grounds, use that in your soil, or use it in your compost, use the paper filter too. It's great amendments. Worms love that stuff, okay? And look, by the way, I'll show you this right here. I found this yesterday or this week sometime. I don't know, guys. It's a little blue Hopi corn that dried last year that I planted in my poor man's raised bed. It was very small and I did not side dress it with ammonium nitrate. So this is, okay, if you don't do that, okay, this is what you're looking at. This had a lot better potential. I don't think it's going to be the world's biggest corn, but if you don't side dress, that's what you're going to get. But there's the blue color. It's kind of like a denim, like my shirt. This is what you're looking at if you don't side dress corn, okay? But I thought it was pretty decoration, everything. I've got a navy blue wall in here, and I said, I like it, so I kept it. Anyways, all right, guys. We'll see you next time on Second Chance Ranch. And don't fault me if I change it back to Harmon Homestead this week, okay? All right, see you next time. Bye.